As the sun rises over the horizon, a new day begins. Golden rays gently touch the earth, awakening forests, mountains, rivers, and fields. The world comes alive with color, sound, and movement. In these quiet moments, we are reminded of the incredible beauty of God's creation. Every tree that stretches toward the sky, every flower that blooms in its season, every bird that sings its morning song. Speaks of a creator whose wisdom and creativity know no limits. Look at the trees. Standing tall through changing seasons, they are silent witnesses to the passage of time. Their roots reach deep into the earth while their branches stretch heavenward. Some have stood for hundreds of years, providing shade, shelter, and life to countless creatures. The leaves dance in the wind like a living symphony. In spring they emerge fresh and green. In summer they offer cool refuge from the heat. In autumn they transform into brilliant shades of gold, red, and orange. And in winter, even when bare, they remind us that life continues beneath the surface. Each tree is unique, designed with remarkable detail. The patterns in its bark, the shape of its leaves, the strength of its trunk all reveal extraordinary craftsmanship. The natural world reveals countless examples of order, purpose, and harmony. Consider the changing seasons. Spring arrives with new life. Buds appear on branches, flowers emerge, and birds return with joyful songs. Summer brings warmth, growth, and abundance. Forests become lush and green. Fields are filled with life and activity. As we walk through a forest, we are surrounded by a world that often goes unnoticed. Sunlight filters through the canopy above, creating beautiful patterns on the ground. The air is fresh and filled with the scent of earth and leaves. Every step reveals something new, a small flower growing beside a fallen log, a butterfly drifting through the sunlight, or a tiny stream making its way through the In our busy lives, it is easy to overlook these gifts. We become occupied with schedules, responsibilities, and distractions, yet nature invites us to slow down, to listen, to observe, to appreciate a walk beneath towering trees, the sound of birdsong in the morning, or the sight of sunlight reflecting on water can bring a sense of peace that is difficult to find elsewhere. When we spend time in nature, we often feel connected to something greater than ourselves. The beauty surrounding us inspires gratitude and wonder. It reminds us that we are part of a world filled with purpose and meaning. The forests, rivers, mountains, flowers, and birds are not merely resources to be used. They are treasures to be appreciated and cared for. Each generation has a responsibility to protect and preserve the beauty entrusted to us by caring for the natural world. We honor the gift of creation and ensure that future generations can experience its wonder. In this peaceful moment, we are reminded once again of the extraordinary beauty that surrounds us. From the tallest mountain to the smallest flower, from ancient forests to singing birds, creation tells a story of wisdom, power, beauty, and love. Every sunrise is a new masterpiece, every season a new chapter. High among the branches, hidden beneath leaves and swaying gently in the breeze, a small nest once held a precious life. Carefully woven from twigs, grass, and feathers, it was a place of safety, warmth, and protection. And as another day comes to an end, the story of nature continues, inviting us to return, to listen, and to wonder once again. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others. Your support helps us continue sharing. Together, let's celebrate and appreciate the beauty of the world around us. See you in the next adventure.